ko titiisin, Gina. Bawat minutong di ko kayo kasama. Sobrang sakit. Sana patawarin mo na ako.
You know what, tita? Sobrang hirap maghilom and makalimot. You know, I don't think I ever will. So I think kahit pilitin namin ayusin to ni Gerald, alam kong magkakasakitan lang kaming dalawa.
Baka kailangan nyo lang ng space. Diba? Just focus on yourself and Mindy. And trust that with time, you'll make the right decision for both of you.
You know, tita, kung alam ko lang masasaktan ako ng ganito, sana nilayuan ko na lang si Gerald. Sana hindi ko na lang siya minahal. It's like, kahit sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, na sana hindi na lang siya yung pinakasalan ko. It's a lie. Kasi deep inside my heart, I know. Siya rin yung hinahanap-hanap ng puso ko.
Gina, alam ko mahirap at masakit. But it's normal to still love him, even if it hurts. Just give yourself time. You'll make the right decision, Gina.
Sana nga, tita. Sana.